Source: Emerald Health Therapeutics Inc. Victoria, British Columbia, April 20, 2018. Globe NEWSWIRE. Emerald Health Therapeutics Inc. Emerald, TSX-V, OTCQX, EMHTF. Today announced DDB Canada's Vancouver office its agency of record, AAOR, following a national search managed by Reynolds. As agency of record, DDB Canada Vancouver and its integrated suite of marketing specialist disciplines, TWICE, TRACKDDB, DDB Public Relations, TracyLocke Canada and Tribal Worldwide, will be providing a full range of seamlessly integrated communications services. Committed to an exclusive partnership within the cannabis category, the agency's work will be designed to launch various brand initiatives and scale Emerald's marketing communications efforts based on both domestic and global growth plans. The agency has already commenced work to support Emerald Health's multi-phase expansion plans. The company plans to scale its offerings to meet the anticipated demand for a new, legalized recreational cannabis market following adult use legalization across Canada slated for summer 2018. We were looking for a global, top-tier agency to suit Emerald Health's broad scope of aspirations both in Canada and abroad, says Paul Dillman, VP Marketing and Sales. Emerald Health DDB was the perfect fit with their world-class strategic approach, resources to support our global expansion and a deep understanding and knowledge of the Canadian market, including Quebec. DDB Canada is selective in pursuing symbiotic partnerships with reputable, like-minded companies, and Emerald Health's science-based approach and focus on innovation makes them the perfect partner, says Patty Jones, EVP Managing Director, DDB Canada Vancouver. It's an exciting opportunity to bring Emerald Health's mission, vision and brand to life, all while serving as an extension of the company as its brand steward. We look forward to working hand-in-hand with its key decision-makers to build this brand, while adapting and pivoting when needed as regulations in the industry evolve. About DDB Canada. DDB Canada is the most creatively acclaimed, internationally recognized marketing communications agency in Canada. The agency was named 2015 Digital Agency of the Year by Strategy magazine and was ranked. DDB Canada has offices in Vancouver, Edmonton, Toronto and Montreal. The agency's integrated marketing disciplines include public relations, event management, digital, social, mobile, branding, design, direct response, CRM and shopper marketing. About Emerald Health Therapeutics Inc. Emerald Health Therapeutics, Inc. TSX-V, OTCQX, EMHTF, operates through Emerald Health Botanicals Inc. Botanicals, a wholly owned subsidiary and licensed producer under Canada's Access to Cannabis for Medical Purposes regulations. Through Botanicals, Emerald is authorized to produce and sell dried medical cannabis flower and medical cannabis oil. It currently operates an indoor facility in Victoria, BC, and is building a 500,000 sf. greenhouse on 32 acres in Metro Vancouver, with expansion potential to 1 million sf to serve the anticipated legal Canadian adult-use cannabis market starting in 2018. Emerald also owns 50% of Pure Sun Farms, a partnership with Village Farms that is converting an existing 1.1 million sf. greenhouse in Delta, BC from growing tomatoes to growing cannabis. Emerald's team is highly experienced in life sciences, product development and large-scale agribusiness. Emerald is part of the Emerald Health Group, which is broadly focused on developing pharmaceutical, botanical and nutraceutical products designed to provide wellness and medical benefits by interacting with the human body's endocannabinoid system. Please visit www.emeraldhealth.ca for more information. Contacts: Rob Hill, Chief Financial Officer, 800-757-3536X. Cautionary note regarding forward-looking statements. Certain statements made in this press release that are not historical facts are forward-looking statements and are subject to important risks, uncertainties and assumptions, both general and specific, which give rise to the possibility that actual results or events could differ materially from our expectations expressed in or implied by such forward-looking statements. Such statements include completion of the joint venture, establishing a brand, sales of non-cannabis products, development of sales channels, expansion of permitted sales of cannabis, leveraging of distribution channels, development of new products, the benefits and effects of certain products. We cannot guarantee that any forward-looking statement will materialize, and readers are cautioned not to place undue reliance on these forward-looking statements. These forward-looking statements involve risks and uncertainties related to, among other things, failure to obtain regulatory approvals, failure to obtain necessary financing, results of production and sale activities, results of scientific research, regulatory changes, availability of products, changes in prices and costs, demand for products, as well as the risk factors described in the company's annual information form and other regulatory filings. The forward-looking statements contained in this press release represent our expectations as of the date hereof. Forward-looking statements are presented for the purpose of providing information about management's current expectations and plans and allowing investors and others to obtain a better understanding of our anticipated operating environment. Readers are cautioned that such information may not be appropriate for other purposes. The company undertakes no obligations to update or revise such statements to reflect new circumstances or unanticipated events as they occur, unless required by applicable law.